Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can change the country on your app store. It's a very simple process. Hope you guys can follow through. And if you're successful, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It really helps. And now that I said that, this is how you can do it. The first step, you will have to go into the settings of your iPhone. Once you're here, tap on your name. Once you're here, just scroll down and click on Media and Purchases. Click on View Account. Once you do this, it will show you all the different purchases and account history that is currently linked with your iPhone. You can see here you get all this data, but since it is country/region that we want to change, just tap on that. And one other disclaimer before you do this, make sure you don't have any active subscriptions or purchases in this country before you go ahead and do this like this, because otherwise if you do have any active subscription going on and in case you change the country, that subscription will get cancelled and all your previous purchased apps will also go away. That's a bad thing about Apple. If you change the country, it goes on to become a different app store. Every country has its own, so yeah, that's that. Hopefully you don't have any previous subscriptions, but if you do, just make sure you make a new Apple account and do this method. It will be really helpful for you. And yeah, just click on change country or region, select the country that you want to change to. Let's say I want to go Belgium. And yeah, that's it. At the end, just click on agree. Click on agree again. Fill in all the details. You have to have a payments method that is associated with that country. Otherwise, you will again not be able to change the country or region. Just make sure you fill in all the necessary details. And yeah, that's it. Your country or region will be changed with ease. And yeah, that's pretty much how you can do it. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.